This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Judy Craft. If you are looking for that home in the country and possibly a hobby farm, this is it. Lived in by one owner since 1954, this solid ranch home sits above a 2-car garage and full basement which has workshops and a partially finished rec area. The rafters are actual California redwood as well as some walls. This home features 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, living room, dining room and kitchen. So many possibilities for updates in this home. There are 2 ponds, approximately 6 to 7 feet deep, 10 feet in part. Also, a barn that sits in front of an apple orchard. Could be possibly used for a horse barn or a hobby farm. The seller will have a survey done to include the ponds and property to the corner of Pickard and Bayview Rds. At that time acreage will be determined with house. All furnishings will stay and home is sold as is, where is. Seller will not be responsible for any repairs on home or property if needed. This includes well and septic.